Hello everyone! Alam nyo ba na ang liver natin ay isa sa pinaka-importanting organ natin sa katawan? It helps detoxify our body, supports digestion, and keep our energy balanced. Pero kapag sobrang daming taba ang naiipon sa liver dahil sa unhealthy diet, sugars, alcohol, or stress, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na fatty liver. Karamihan, wala pang symptoms sa simula, kaya mahalaga ang early supports at prevention. You can start by eating healthy, drinking more water, at regular exercise. At para sa dagdag na supports, personally use ko itong liver supports. And this is 100% organic, made with highest quality thistle, milk thistle, turmeric, at lahat ng mga kilala to help the protect our liver. At ang maganda pa, napaka-affordable siya. And if you want more energy, better digestion, at mas malusog na katawan, start by taking your care of your liver. This is not a medical advice. Kumonsulta muna po kayo sa inyong doktor before using any new supplements.